Hi everyone, in this video we're going to do a very short core workout. As we know, in ballet we need a very strong core for things like pirouettes, balance, control and even extensions. This workout only has 6 exercises, 45 seconds on with a 15-second rest. It's beginner friendly and it's something that you can put into your schedule every day or every second day to really help improve your core strength. So we'll start with dead bugs, legs up to tabletop position, arms up above the shoulder, and then we're going opposite arm, opposite leg, extending and coming back in. Really slow and controlled. Very good. And relax. Good. So next up we're going to do toe taps. So same tabletop position, arms by your side, and then extending one toe to the floor and then the other one. Here we go. Drawing that belly button into the spine. So next up we're going to go into side planks. So there's 2 options. You can either go on your knees like this, or you can go up on your feet. The knees is obviously a bit easier, so just go into whatever feels right for you. I'm going to go up on my feet, really making sure here that the shoulder is in line with the elbow. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you're choosing to go up on your knees, just really make sure you're still really lifting up the hip so you get a nice activation in the obliques. Here we go, left side. Seconds. And relax. Good work. Lovely. Now we're going to go into some bicycles, but we're going to do them quite slow and controlled. So thinking opposite elbow to opposite knee. Here we go. Last one for today, we're going to do a box hold. So coming up onto all fours, really pressing the floor away, toes underneath you, and then we're just going to hover the knees off the floor, just slightly off the floor. Making sure we're not rounding through the back. Really pressing the floor away. Good. And just going back into child's pose and stretching out. Good, well done. So that's a very short 6-minute core workout that you can do every day or every second day to really help improve your balance, control, extensions, pirouettes. Everything that we do in ballet requires a very strong core. I'll see you in the next class very soon.